Mastering the art of dressed up. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, dressed up. It's a phrase you might hear quite often, but what does it really mean? Let's explore this together and add a new expression to your English vocabulary. When we say someone is dressed up, we're referring to their attire being more formal or elaborate than usual. It's not just about putting on clothes but wearing something special for a particular occasion. It implies effort and attention to one's appearance. You'll often hear dressed up in the context of events like weddings, parties, or fancy dinners. It's that extra step you take in choosing an outfit to match the importance or the formality of an event. It's not just about the clothes, it's about preparing to fit a certain social setting. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday language. Are we supposed to get dressed up for the company dinner? She was all dressed up with nowhere to go, as the event got cancelled last minute. The concept of being dressed up can vary greatly across cultures. What is considered dressed up in one culture may be casual in another. It's an interesting aspect of language that ties closely with cultural norms and expectations. And there you have it. Next time you hear someone talking about getting dressed up, you'll know exactly what they mean. It's all about dressing for the occasion and making an effort to look your best. Thanks for watching, and I hope this explanation helps you feel more confident in using this phrase in English conversation. See you next time.